Hey guys, what's up? My name is Erica Andrea. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my texturizer touch-up, rinsed my hair jet black, blow dried it, and silk pressed it, and these are the results. If you guys have been following along with my journey, I texturized my hair like 4 months ago maybe. I'll have the video up on the screen here and link down below. If you have not seen my original video, go ahead and watch that first because this will be a little update. This is going to be a long video, so get some snacks, get comfortable, and let's get right on into it.
So this is going to be exactly the same as I did before. So we're going to speed right on through this. If you have not seen my original video, like I mentioned before, please go watch it. I'm just going ahead and putting some Vaseline all around the perimeter of my hair, on my edges, in my scalp, just to prevent any like burns, any irritation from the harsh chemicals. Then we're going to go ahead and apply the texturizer. So I did texturize my hair 4 months ago. I would not recommend going that long in between touch-ups. I have a lot of new growth, and honestly it was really hard for me to like determine what the line of demarcation was because my hair is pretty stretched out at this point, so I couldn't really see. So I was really just eyeballing where the new growth is, and I'm pretty sure I probably over processed some pieces a bit because I ain't got that much new growth. Like it wasn't giving 2 inches, maybe an inch. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the whole head, speed right on through. For my next touch up, I probably should go to the salon because this was honestly harder than I thought. The first time I did it, it was easy because I really didn't have to worry about too much. I just cover all the hair and that's it. This is much harder because you're only supposed to do the new growth, and with the gloves on and everything, it's so hard to feel. And then once you get product on your hands, you don't want to touch the rest of your hair because then it's going to get on it. So it was a bit difficult for me, but you guys will see it. I made it through and it'll be fine. Once I got an even coating all around the head, I just went back over some sections where my hair is really thick just to make sure I really got product on there using whatever I had left over. And it's so weird because I still used the whole container, and I used the whole container last time. I thought I'd use less, but whatever. That's what it looks like. As you guys can see, I definitely over processed and went down a little bit far. I got a little carried away, but it's fine. We're gonna rinse it all out, use the shampoo that came in the pack, and scrub. You really want to get this nice and clean. Don't skimp this step. I shampooed like 4 times, same as I did before. You really want to get out all the product because you don't want any scalp burns or anything like that. So do a good job. And this was the only shedding I got. I was very impressed. Now we're gonna go ahead and rinse my hair jet black, and I'm going to show you guys my little secret that I found out to make your hair look really shiny. As you guys can tell, my hair is an ashy brown color. Like, just look at the way the light reflects off of it. So we're going to mix the Adore Crystal Clear and Jet Black into a bowl. And the crystal clear color is just going to give like this shiny appearance to the hair. I learned this from someone on YouTube. I'll link their channel down below. This made a world of difference. So I've never dyed my hair before. I should have put this in like one of those not spray bottles, but one of those bottles that you can like pour it onto the hair, because this brush was not giving. Okay, this was a very annoying process, and you guys will see at some point I just started slapping it onto the gloves and just massaging it into the hair because I could not be bothered. The next time I do this, I'll probably go to the salon as well because I'm just a little lazy. Okay. Then, as per the directions, we're going to put a little plastic cap on and sit under the dryer for 15 minutes before we go ahead and rinse it out. And this is what it'll look like. Nice and dark. I'm loving how dark it looks. I honestly want to rinse it again because I feel like I can get it a little bit darker. But this was okay for my first time. I'm just going to rinse it out nice and good. Now I'm going to wash with the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I love this shampoo, and I'm only going to wash once because I don't want to strip the color too much because semi-permanent dye fades with every wash. So yeah, just one good shampoo is fine. Following up with the Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. This stuff is amazing. It really puts all the hydration back into my hair, makes it feel nice and smooth, and it does have my little curls popping. Well, what I have left of curls, you know. But yeah, look how my hair looks. It looks really good. Just gonna rinse that out. Now we can finally get out of the shower and move on to the blow drying process.
Okay guys, so now it's time to blow dry. This is the Olaplex Bond Smoother Leave-In Styling Treatment. I love using this, especially like right after I do a texturizer. I do 2 pumps. A little of this goes a long way, and I just work that through the hair when it's like soaking wet, and just kind of massage it into the hair shaft. All right, so now we've brushed completely through that section. Now we're going to split it in half, almost, like about that much. And then the top section, I'm just gonna take my claw clip. I'm just gonna go ahead now and blow dry. We're gonna fast forward right through this.
Now look at the difference 4 months makes. My hair is growing, okay? And the color looks so much better dark. Now that we're done blow drying, we can go ahead and move on to the flat iron process. Shout outs to Conair. They sent me over this flat iron for free to try out for this video, and it worked so good. I'll have more details on this later. But look how my hair looks, you guys. This flat iron is pressing it out perfectly. It looks so shiny, and I swear I'm finally starting to notice some length retention. For so long, my ends would just be chewing up and breaking off over and over and over. But now, you see it. You see it. If you're wondering what the steam is, I did put some BioSilk serum in my hair, and I also think it may possibly be the dye that's on the hair kind of like steaming off. But girl, I don't know. I flat iron my hair at this temperature all the time. It's 455 degrees and my hair feels fine. So hopefully it's fine. And this was the exact moment I started to feel myself. Once I could see the shine in the mirror, I was like, yes, yes, and yes. I will be doing this method every single time now. I'm going to continue to dye my hair black and use that crystal rinse on it because it just looks so beautiful. I don't know why I never thought of this before. I'm so happy I stumbled across this hack. If you guys have heard of this before, let me know in the comments down below because I've never even heard of clear hair dye. It's like a nail polish top coat, but for your hair. Love that for us. Now, I know it looks like I'm moving through this rather quickly, and that's because I am. I have like 5 strands of hair on my head, you guys. Like, my hair is not thick. Like, the amount of hair that some of you guys have, like, in one quadrant of your head is the amount of hair on my entire head. Like, it's not thick. It's thin. It's fine. So it doesn't take me that long to flat iron it, which is low-key a blessing, but I do wish I had a little bit of thicker hair. I'm still somewhat struggling with the front of my hair being shorter than the back, but it is growing out very nicely. And just look how nice that luster is. This flat iron in combination with the Olaplex products I used and the crystal rinse, like I feel like everything all together made this the bounciest silk press I ever had.
So yeah, you guys, this is the final look. I am actually really happy with how it turned out. In my next video, I'll show you guys how I add some clip-ins to it for a little more volume, because as you guys can see, I just have naturally thinner, finer hair, so it's just not as full as I would like it, but I'm really not even mad at the length. We're getting there. We're getting there. I'm gonna need a trim probably within the next 2-3 weeks or so, but I'm really happy with how my hair has grown. Let me know if you guys have any questions about my like texturizer journey in the comments down below, because I know you guys really enjoyed that video when I put that out. But yeah, this is the best press I've had in a long time. If you're looking for this flat iron, I will have it linked down below. It worked really good. Like, everything I used today gave. So yeah, I will have every single thing I used to achieve this link down below, of course. Don't forget also to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on that post notification bell so that you never miss my next upload, because just get comfortable because we got a lot of content coming this year. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.